Welcome back to another episode of Vortex of the Build. We're talking about today mini tubs and the flooring I put in on my car. We're gonna go over the steps, everything I did to get you up to speed on that. Stay tuned. I'll get you all the details on it. What you're looking at here is my fitment of the rear panel between the quarter panels. I was trying to make sure they I had this specific measurement because I wanted to be the same when I put the trunk back on. So I was measuring that up, showing you a little look underneath the bottom of the car. And at this point I moved to fitting the floor. This is the rear body mount bracket. Right there where the hole, that's where the body mount would bolt into. But I need to move that back 2 inches. So I have to take that bracket off, and you'll see, I'm gonna show you the other side here real quickly. That one I haven't taken off yet, but that's where it sits. But the whole thing needs to move in 2 inches, so I need to take those spot welds off and take that off. You'll see that here in a second. So now that I have all the brackets off, this is me mocking up where I'm gonna cut. That is exactly 2 inches. I had it measured all the way across the front and the back. And right there, what I had planned on doing, I just made a flange. And that's the cut line where that little arrow is, where I'm pointing to. You can probably see it. That's the 2 inches back, but then that's the flange. And I'm using my little flanger tools right there. I'm just grabbing right there. The flanger tool makes a little flange for me. And I'll do a flange all the way down. Cut that off right there, the bottom line, the bottom arrow, and move it up there to the top and lay it over the top. You'll see here in a sec. I'm gonna show you an example of it. That's the bracket right there. I had to cut that part off because that bracket will weld it on. And there's a bracket on the ground, which I'm going to have to weld back in after I shorten it. Now, I done cleaned up the sheet metal. You can see my little flange there. I'm gonna show you a little sample what it looks like when I lay it across. Yeah, that's looking really good. 2 inches taken out, flanged. And this is how it looks after I welded it up on both sides. Came out pretty clean. I was pretty happy with the results. Good. Loving it. Quick picture of me cutting out the quarter panels. Floor is in. Floor is welded to the trunk. No, the trunk floor is welded to the main floor. Right here, I'm showing you the quarter panels, what I had to cut off. Drip rails. I had to remove these drip rails. It's all rusted out. They was in pretty bad shape, especially on the passenger side, which I'm gonna show you here in a second. What I'm pointing out, what I'm about to point out here is the area where the quarter panels go attached. They slide up underneath there where that little spot weld, that little part right there is part of the quarter panel that I'm pointing at. And it slides up underneath. A little rust area I had to clean up. Damaged area. Had to fix that. Looking good overall. Here's a picture of it once I got the passenger side or the driver's side tub in there and got that welded in. Fitting it up. Picture of it when I got both the quarters on fitting. This test fitted. Still need to get those drip welds on there, but you can kind of see once I got all the pieces in together. This is like the final fitment before I welded in. I'm still gonna double check my my measurements and with the rear panel in there, but both the tubs are welded in. Looks good. It's starting to look like a car now compared to how it was before. It's starting to come together. Couple more pictures as we leave. Appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for your time.